So this Euro pound analysis for Friday the 3rd of August. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices break down beyond the 89.45, retested 89.45, rejected, moved back above the 89.45. Did see prices coming out towards this 400 moving average brief bullish bounce, forcing this continuation to the downside. Now we do have this rather large candle, high to low range, possibly news related. We did see the trade through the from this candle. We did see trade through the 88.74, came pretty close towards a test of that 88.51. Came within a couple of pips of the 88.51, from which we have seen a bullish buy side momentum return to the market, taken to back above the 88.74. Test the 89.14, we're unable to hold above the 89.14, and we've seen subsequent pullback from this 89.14 at present, where we are testing the 200 period moving average. So if we do see a bullish move from this 200 period average, we're looking for a test of the 89.14, successful break and hold. We're then looking for price head up towards our 89.45, and if there is sufficient volatility in the coming days to bring us beyond 89.45, the very next level of note here is a move up towards that 89.80 on the euro against the pound. If, however, we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, if we don't see the or we do encounter resistance in around that 89.14, looking for a move back down towards that 88.74, successful break from which we're looking for a true test of that 88.51. And if there is further volatility here to the downside, we do have a very key level in around that 88.20, from which we could see a potential bullish bounce back up towards that 88.51 or that 88.74 here on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart, we get scale on here correct. As you can see here, we are in an uptrend in the euro against the pound. We've had acceleration momentum towards 89.45, previously an area from which we've encountered sell side momentum. We've had a pullback down towards this 88.74, from which we've had a bullish bounce, broke above the 89.14, weren't able to hold above it, retested the 88.74, made new relative lows here towards the 88.51, and again we weren't able to close beyond the 88.51. So we're in a bit of a range here on the euro against the pound. More recently we've come from the lower end of the trading range, so possibly looking for a test of the upper end of in around 89.14. If we can break above that, we did mention 89.45, and if we can break above the previous resistance 89.80, potentially come into focus here on the euro against the pound. Mentioned 88.20 being a key level, primarily because we do have the 200 period moving average sitting at that level, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that 88.20. And with that said, that analysis. Thanks for watching.